So I'm going to show you how to create assignments on Schoology. This is a sample course that I created. Okay, let me click on that one. You are going to be adding materials here. So first, let's create a folder, and I'm going to call it Science Week 2. Here is where you're going to describe to the students what they are going to do. So let's say watch a video on discovery education on the water cycle. And then the second thing, take a quiz on the video. Leave everything as it is and create. Okay, so this doesn't take the students to anything, so it's very important for you to click on the folder. Okay, and here you're going to add materials. So first, I want you to look for a video. So go to discoveryeducation.com. The way that you log in is with your EPISD username and password. So how you log into everything as teachers, and same thing for the students, they're going to be using their AR login. Okay, this is where you search. Let's say water cycle. I can narrow down my search. I can do 3 to 5, K to 2, whichever one you would like. Here it gives you an option. Now you can click on videos, so it narrows it down even more. These are the videos that are appropriate for kids that are from 3rd grade to 5th grade. I mean, what you need to do is that you need to watch the video at first to see if it's appropriate to what you are going to be trying to show the kids. Everything in here is safe for the kids. Nothing bad is going to come out. This is an educational website. There's also an option here on the left-hand side. If you scroll up, you can look for, especially those of you that are in dual language, you can click here in Spanish, and it will give you the videos that are available in Spanish. Okay, but for this one, I'm going to keep it in English. Okay, so let's assume that I already watched these videos. Okay, I want to add this one to their Schoology page. Okay, you can watch it, okay, to see what the kids are going to be seeing, and that's where you can get your questions, or you can create your own questions. You click here so that you can get the link. Click on share. Do you see this link? You're going to click copy. It's already copied. Now go back to Schoology and click on add materials. Click on add file link external tool and click on link. Here you're going to paste. So edit, paste. And you're going to call it video water cycle. Okay. Unclick the ABC. This enables the students to be able to open this on a different page instead of opening it up here on Schoology. It's easier for them. Okay, so make sure that it's gray, and now click add. This is what the students are going to be seeing. Okay, you can exit from the Discovery Education so you can test it out. If you click on this link right here, it should take you directly to Discovery Education. See, it took me directly to the video. Now, some of the students are going to have to log in first. They're going to log in with their AR login and password, and it'll take them directly to the video. Okay, so we have that done. Now, let's say that we're going to be adding a quiz on the video, and you have to bear with me because I haven't watched the video, but I'm going to create a quiz. Okay, so let's say add test or quiz. You're going to name it. So water cycle quiz. Don't change the due date. Put 100 points if you don't have 100 points. And select quiz. I had already created one, but if you don't have a grading category, click on create new grading category and you can call it quiz. Okay, there. Everything else you leave it alone. Okay. Unclick the comments so that the students can't comment on the quizzes. Okay, and create. Okay. Let's see, water cycle quiz on video. I had already created one, that's why. Okay, so play around with the title and everything. Just create, click on create, and you get to this page. This is where you're going to be adding your questions. Let's say that you want to do 4 questions, so each question is going to be worth 25 points. If you want to do 5 questions, each one is worth 20 points because you want them to get 100. Okay, well, anyways, you need to stick, what I would suggest is to stick to these 2. These are the easiest ones, and this helps you to kind of get used to the system. So I'm going to do multiple choice, and I'm going to create the first question. So let's say the sun heats up the water and it causes it to, okay, you can put here, let's say rain, evaporate, create cloud, no, not create clouds, let's say condense. Okay, now I'm going to keep it up to 3 choices. Okay, I don't want to do a 4th choice, I just want to do ABC to make it easier for me. So in order for me to remove this last choice, you're going to click on remove blanks. See how now you're down to 3 choices. Click on the correct answer, and here it's where you're going to be putting the number of points that each question is going to be worth. So I'm going to be showing you 2 questions, so each question is going to be worth 50 points. And create question. Now do you see how the question comes up and it tells you how many points, but it doesn't show you the multiple choice? Okay, so I'm going to show you that later. Let me add another question. Question 2. Water droplets create blank. I'm going to put here clouds, rain, and let's say evaporation. I'm going to remove the blanks, click on the correct answer, give it 50 points, and create question. Okay. Now I have 2 questions, and each one is worth 50 points because I only did 2 questions. But of course, you want to add more questions to it. I would suggest for you to make it easy for you, like keep it as 2 questions, 4 questions, 5 questions, or 10 questions because it's easier to assign the number of points to the questions that you're going to do. Okay. Now, I want you to go to settings. Okay. You don't type anything here. What you need to change here is on the submissions. I need you to enable. Okay. Don't put a time limit. I mean, if you want to, but I wouldn't suggest it, especially for elementary. Attempt limit. What has been working for me is three attempts, but as you can see, they have up to 20 attempts. Okay. I'm going to keep it as 3 attempts. Now it gives you this option. You can either get the highest score out of those three, or you can average the score. I clicked on average the score. Okay. Leave everything as it is. Leave everything as it is. Okay. Here, you're going to click yes, view submission, so that they can, the students can be able to see their result after the quiz. Okay. And you click on save changes. Okay, now, if you want to see how the students are going to be able to see the quiz, you can click on preview. Do you see how it says start new attempt? This is how the students are going to see it. It says that they have made 0 out of 3 attempts. Okay, so they're going to click on start new attempt. This is how the students are going to view it. Okay, they're going to view it this way. They select their answer choices and they click submit. Now, because you are a teacher, you are not able to submit your answers, but the students will be able to. Okay, I'm going to show you now how you can see the result or the grades that the students are getting. You're going to click on results. You're going to get a pop-up window that says cancel or leave. And this is how you're going to be seeing the students' grades. Okay, and you can tell the students that they have until Friday to submit their work. Okay, now let me go back to my homeroom. Okay, again, this is a folder that they're going to see. You're telling them to watch the video first, then take the quiz. Inside of the folder, they have the link to the video and they have the link to the quiz. That is how you create an assignment. Thank you.